Hello everyone, King Mize here. With the skyrocketing cost of memory, many high-end phones are struggling to keep up with price increases. For budget phones, which are the mainstay of sales, raising prices would mean upgrading to higher-end models. Therefore, maintaining the original positioning while improving configuration has become the focus of the Redmi Note 17 Pro. Opening the top cover, the accessories are well organized, including a SIM card ejector tool, instructions, and a complimentary TPU soft case. Put a phone aside. At the very bottom is the 67-watt charging adapter. The Redmi Note 17 Pro appearance is very similar to its older sibling, the Xiaomi 11. The camera design is almost identical except for the lens layout, and it looks quite good. The sky blue color scheme, as the name suggests, uses a light blue color similar to the sky for the entire back cover, paired with subtle cloud patterns, which is very beautiful. The back cover has a finely frosted texture, feels delicate, and doesn't leave fingerprints. There are no antenna lines on the mid-frame, and the material is plastic, but don't worry about it being drop resistant, as the Redmi Note 17 Pro uses a robust frame design. With a simple setup, it features a short focus in-display fingerprint sensor. The Redmi Note 17 Pro come with 6.83-inch 1.5K flat screen, uses the same luminescent material as the Xiaomi 17 series, but it is a higher quality OLED panel. It renders 12-bit colors versus 8-bit for the 7-inch display on the vanilla phone, and is sharper with a 1280 by 2772 pixel resolution. It can reach 3500 nits peak brightness. There is DC dimming down to 80 nits, and 3840 Hz PWM dimming can get it down to just 1 nit. In sunlight mode, the overall brightness can reach 1060 nits, improving the viewing experience for delivery drivers and other outdoor workers. The screen boasts a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, supports custom high refresh rate applications, and features DC plus 3840 Hz high screen PWM hybrid dimming, having passed various eye protection certifications. The Redmi Note 17 Pro is equipped with a 4th generation Snapdragon 6S chip and, unlike the Redmi K series phones, only has a balanced mode. The Antutu Benchmark score is 960,000. Single core 1054, multi-core 3012, 3D Mark secondary rendering 2972. In a 20-minute stress test, the best performance was 2965 frames per second. The lowest was 2951 frames per second. Stability was 99.5%. Battery drain was 3%, and the highest temperature was 36 degrees Celsius. In actual game testing, PUBG and HDR achieved 60 frames per second in high definition with an average frame rate of 58.41 frames per second and an average power consumption of 4.2 watts. Honor of King's ultra-high resolution achieved 60 frames per second in high definition with an average frame rate of 59.99 frames per second and an average power consumption of 2.7 watts. Genshin Impact all-high graphics settings achieved 60 frames per second, initially locked at 34 frames per second with an average frame rate of 32.42 frames per second and an average power consumption of 4.3 watts. The Redmi Note 17 Pro has a built-in 9000 mAh silicon carbon battery that is rated for 1600 charge cycles. Thanks to the low power consumption of the 4th generation Snapdragon 6S, daily battery life is excellent. With low power fast charging mode enabled, a tested 67-watt wired fast charging was achieved. It charges 2% in 1 minute with a power of 51 watts. The peak power is around 55 watts, and the power of 50 watts or more lasts for 2.5 minutes. It charges to 7% in 3 minutes with a power of 39 watts. It charges to 10% in 5 minutes with a power output of 40 watts. It charges to 16% in 10 minutes with a power of 26 watts. It charges to 22% in 15 minutes with a power of 26 watts. It charges to 28% in 20 minutes with a power of 27 watts. It charges to 39% in 30 minutes with a power of 27 watts. It charges to 51% in 40 minutes with a power output of 29 watts. It charges to 62% in 50 minutes with a power of 25 watts. It charges to 73% in 60 minutes with a power of 29 watts. It charges to 85% in 70 minutes with a power of 27 watts. It charges to 92% in 80 minutes with a power output of 13 watts. It charges to 96% in 90 minutes with a power output of 9 watts. It can be fully charged in 95 minutes. It fully charged in 96 minutes. He also supports the 22.5 watts reverse charging ability, can essentially convert the phone into a power bank when required. The Redmi Note 17 Pro features a dual rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor on the back with a tiny 1/2.76 inch sensor, 0.64 micrometers pixels, and an f1.8 lens. There is a second module on the back, but it's only a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front-facing camera has an 8 megapixel sensor. Both can only record 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Do you know how high this phone can withstand being dropped from? 3 meters on a marble floor, face down. Seriously, who would drop their phone from 3 meters? But the Note 17 Pro says, hey, don't worry about me, I've done it. It features a robust frame structure, thickened corners. The exterior is guarded by the premium Gorilla Glass Victus 2 alloy die-cast metal bracket, increasing rigidity by 30% compared to the previous generation. The motherboard has also been miniaturized, shortening it by 8.75 millimeters. In short, the force is dispersed when it falls, making the motherboard less prone to deformation. The Note 17 Pro also received 2 certifications, SGS and CQC's 5-star gold standard for high-strength protection. A budget phone with 2 gold standards, truly worthy of the nickname Little King Kong. And the water resistance is even more outrageous. IP66, IP68, IP69K, a full sweep. What does IP69K mean? It means you can spray your phone with high-pressure hot water, drop it into a hot pot, rinse it off, and it'll still work. You can even soak it in 2 meters of water for 72 hours and it'll still be usable. Finally, let me mention a feature I find particularly interesting: AI anti-fraud. This isn't just some gimmicky new feature. It genuinely helps people, especially older family members. The Note 17 series also features 6 end-to-end AI anti-fraud capabilities. AI anti-scam technology can identify fraudulent scripts in calls, and AI face swapping detection can determine if the other party's face is AI generated during video calls. It also features an industry-first NFC Anti-theft feature. If a scammer tries to get you to tap your phone to swipe a card, it'll be blocked. Privacy protection is also very robust. There's also cloud encryption and self-destructing messages. Furthermore, all of these features have passed the security certification of the China Academy of Information and Communications Technology. Children can remotely manage their parents' phones,